Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I want to showcase the tail lights that I finished up last week. Before I get too deep into it, I'm going to link the tutorial that I followed. I'll link the tail lights that I bought and then also the rings that I bought. So without further ado, here they are. So they are the clear tail lights with just everything blacked out. I added the Diode Dynamics halo rings in there. The big ring is a 110 and the smaller one is a 70 mil. Main reason to make this video, other than the tutorial that I found, there's not too much information on making your own. Everybody usually just sends them off to somebody. But I'm kind of handsy and I just wanted to try something myself that I've never done before. And they turned out really well. So as you can see, everything inside is black and the rings are just white. Kind of matches the car and the theme of it. I actually bought these same tail lights about 2 years ago, but I was too scared to cut into them. So I just sold them to one of my friends. Here's what they look like illuminated. A lot of people are kind of skeptical of the smaller ring. I opted to go with the 70 mil because in the video that I watched, it looked a lot easier to mount than the 90 mil. And I think it looks a little bit better than the 90 mil. I don't know if you guys know, but the coupes, the smaller one is like a half circle rather than a whole one. The left one, which is the one that I was most worried about, turned out perfect. However, the right one, which is supposed to be the quote-unquote easy one, is the one I had trouble with. It actually leaked a little bit, so I have a couple of hard water stains. I don't know if you guys can see that inside of the lens, but as you back out, you really can't tell at all. It took about 3 days. First day was cutting everything apart. Second day was painting. And the third day was just putting everything back together. The tutorial, man, it really helped me out a lot. So I was really appreciative and lucky to find that. I'll show y'all some functions of it. I mean, they're just normal tail lights. I do have the tailless turn still. So only the rings illuminate when I turn. I'll turn off the lights and it's still on. Show you how it looks. So I'm kind of bummed out about that right one with the water spots and whatnot, but every first time job isn't going to be perfect, and it's really not worth it to pull everything back apart just to clean the lens. So I guess I'll just embrace it in the meantime. But for my first time, I mean, I don't think this is a bad job. I've done headlights and stuff in the past, but never anything like this. So give you guys another close-up of them. Kind of back up a little bit. But yeah, I really like these. I think it completes the look of the car. There's not really any red on it anymore. other than the S badge, and then on my splitters, it says easy splitters in red, but other than that, that should be it. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. But the tutorial is very self-explanatory, very easy to follow as well, and you get good results. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.